Yes, naka-video nga. Joy. Ano yun? Si Hana o. Dance ka nga, dance ka nga. Dance ka nga. Sige nga, ikaw nga magpapakita ng dance. Dali. Dali, sample. Jai.
On 3, 2, 1.
Colin, dance ah.
Kulang po ako ng isa. Hindi na po pwede. Alis natin bago natin. This time, Jolly Kids, group yourself. Okay, be ready. Group yourself into 6. Okay, group yourself into 6 and 5. Okay, form a big circle. Hawak-hawak po kamay. Okay, this time, Jolly Kids, listen carefully for our first game that is called Jolly will collect any kind of coins. Okay, the first group, ang team leader po ninyo ay si Kuya. What is your name? Okay, Kuya Bujoy. Okay, Kuya Bujoy. Ikaw po ang team leader po ng ilang grupo. Okay, Kuya Bujoy, what is your favorite color for your team? Green. Green. This time kayo po ay team green. Magpalakpakan ng team green. Okay, magpalakpakan ng team green. Okay, next team ay si Ate. What is your name? Okay, Ate Jewel. For your team, what is your favorite color for your team? Okay, yellow. Yes, na kayo po ay team yellow. Magpalakpakan ng team yellow. Okay, this time, Jolly Kids, listen carefully. Collect any kind of coins. Ibig sabihin po, makakolekta po kayo any kind of kanila mommy, daddy, ate, kuya, tito, or tita, or some other guests po natin na nandito dito. Any kind of coins. For the sample of coins, 25 cents, piso, 5 piso, 10 pesos coins, or 20 pesos coins. Any kind of coins. At ilalagay niyo po ito kung sino po ang team leader po ng bawat grupo. For the green team, ay si Kuya Bujoy. And the yellow team ay si Ate Jewel. You have 20 seconds, Jolly Kids, para mawalekta any kind of coins. Okay, get ready? Are you ready, Jolly Kids? Yes or no? Gusto daw po ni Ate Cherry mas malakas. Okay, get ready? Are you ready, Jolly Kids? Yes or no? Okay, get ready, Jolly Kids. You have 20 seconds to collect any kind of coins. Get ready. And 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, listen, Jolly Kids. Itaas po ang mga baso na hawak po ninyo. Ayan, nakita lang po natin kung sino po ang team na may pinakamaraming bariya na nakolekta. Palakpakan natin ang team! Team, congratulations, Team Green! Palakpakan natin ang ating Team Green! Okay, Team Green, get your prizes na ito. Bibigyan po ito ni Kuya Ricky. And this time, mommies and daddies, may twist po tayo sa ating first game. Okay, mommies and daddies, willing po ba kayo ipagsama o ipaghalo ang mga bariya para sa ating mga kids? Yes or yes? Okay, yes na yes. Later on po, ibabahagi po ito ng ating best friend all the way from Jolly Town. Once again, malakpakan natin ang ating Team Green. Okay, picture mo na Team Green. Dapat na camera, get ready. Bing, 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 da, mamarami, our special guest all the way from Jolly Town. Please all welcome ang bida sa saya. Ang best friend natin sa lahat walang iba kundi si Jolly! Jolly Bee!
Ayan na!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, everyone, let's say yeah. Happy birthday.